In case you've missed it, YouTube now allows you to collaborate with other YouTube channels on episodes. So you may have seen a similar feature like this on Instagram, for example, where if I post a photo, I can invite a collaborator that's also part of that photo or part of that project, so that way it shows up on their timeline and so forth, right? So this is pretty much exactly that, right? And it's beneficial because it can help grow your YouTube channel. It can help grow their YouTube channels, right? So if you have like a guest for an episode, they can share it with their audience if they so choose to, or, you know, you have a web series that you work on with somebody else. Like, there's just a multitude of reasons why you could want this. Now, I will show you how to do that, but before I do, I invite you to comment down below of various use cases for this. You know, so we can create a good list. I've given you some to get you started, but would love to hear how creative you can get. So now let's get into it, right? Here is a specific video that I did with one of my friends, Khalil Abdelrahim. It was an interview, so this is a perfect example of, yeah, why not be able to share this with him, right? So you would go scroll down and go to show more. So you'll click that, and now there's this feature called collaboration, and you click invite a collaborator. And so then you search for their channel name. So in the case of Khalil, it's actually Camp. Now, he is my friend, so it should come up more easily. Let's see. There we go. So it can be a little bit annoying to find, you know, the user, but here is Khalil's YouTube channel. So I'm going to go ahead and click that, and you can select if you want them to get analytics or not. That's up to you. I'm fine with it. And then you click create link. Now, the annoying part, and I'd be curious if people have found workarounds or something better, but you essentially have to copy this link and email it out to them, right? So with like Google Drive, if you share something, it will automatically send that person an email and they'll be able to rock and roll. Here, you kind of have to do it manually where, you know, you copy it. I don't know what the difference is ultimately, but I have it copied so I can close. The main thing is to save this. And so then I'll go into my email. I've already kind of started something here. You know, it'll be sent to Khalil, YouTube collab link, and then I'll send them the link, right? And then they just ultimately click on that as long as they're in that YouTube account, and it'll get added for that. So that's pretty straightforward in terms of how to utilize it. If you have any questions, though, happy to answer them. So comment down below and let me know.